This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, November 4th, 2015. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at noon today. Still have this trough digging in across the west, pumping up a lot of warm air out of the south around here, and that's going to keep our temperatures warm again today. Highs will be in the 60s to lower middle 70s across the state, with plenty of sunshine. Could see some fog in the early morning hours, especially in our far eastern counties. Otherwise, that should burn off and lead to some mainly sunny skies by later in the afternoon. It'll be a little bit breezy as well, with winds out of the south and southwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. This is going to be ahead of a storm system that's going to come in late tonight into Thursday and Thursday night. And this could bring us some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. Severe weather could be possible just south of the state down into Oklahoma and Texas, but not anticipated around here. That system will move off to the east here on Friday. Some lingering showers are possible early in the day on Friday with some slow clearing late. Readings Friday will drop back into the 50s for highs, and we'll have lows Saturday morning in the 30s. Maybe a bit of frost or freeze in our northern or northeastern counties. Otherwise, on Saturday, sunshine, highs in the 50s to around 60. It'll be a fairly pleasant weekend, as Saturday will be a little bit cooler, but Sunday will be a bit warmer as the winds turn southwesterly. Temperatures should boost back into the 60s here on Sunday with mainly sunny skies, and that looks to also stay the case into Monday and Tuesday of next week as well, as a ridge begins to take hold over the eastern half of the country. And that's going to be ahead of this storm system that's coming in to the north and west, with some rain and mountain snow there. A little bit of precipitation also across the southeast, moving into the Atlantic. As you see here on to Tuesday, that system off to our west begins to take shape over the Four Corners region, the Rockies up into the Montana area. A little bit of rain, mountain snow there. Quite a few inches of snow is going to be possible there. But you can see next Wednesday that system really begins to carve out a fairly good trough axis across the middle part of the country by next Wednesday. And this looks very similar to the system we have this week. So we could see some interesting weather by the middle of next week with some showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two again. Some snow off into the Rockies, especially Colorado, maybe into the Black Hills of South Dakota as well. This is a storm we'll have to watch over the next couple of days, and we'll be able to pinpoint it later this week or into the weekend. Going into the extended period around the 15th of November, system coming in with the flow mainly still coming out of the Pacific. Bit of a west to northwesterly flow, though, should keep our temperatures maybe a tad cooler than they should be, maybe a few degrees cooler, nothing over crazy 10 or 20 degrees, maybe 5 degrees or so below seasonal levels, with some rain, maybe some mix north of the state, but it's something we'll keep watching. The end of the forecast, the 19th, we have another storm approaching from the west. And this is going to bring some warmer temperatures, it looks like, if this is to be correct, ahead of it. So we could see temperatures rebounding once again, and maybe a shower, maybe even a rumble of thunder again as we move. This is about a week before Thanksgiving at this point, so this up and down pattern looks to continue as it has for the last couple of days. It looks to continue for at least the next couple of weeks. You can see that with the satellite image from last evening, a big ridge over the eastern half of the country. Storm system off to our west, that's the one that's going to affect us very late tonight into Thursday and Thursday night. Otherwise, fairly clear from the Rockies, they're eastward. And that's leading to some fog issues across Illinois, eastern Iowa, north and eastern Missouri. Some issues across the northern tier as well, and some winter storm advisories and warnings across the Rockies up into Montana. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock, showing precipitation amounts generally lighter in the west to heavier in the east, maybe about 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 an inch from west to east across the state.